Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a crochet kit, a Christmas tree that I purchased from Temu a while ago and I did not have time to review it or do it. We're going to look at the content together, all the materials we get. There's nothing on this box. It's a blank, like it cannot be given as a Christmas gift. You would need to change the box, get a better box. But yeah, no pictures of the Christmas tree at all. So let's open it up. So what we do see is our colors, red, green, and white. And this is the Christmas tree. I'm not too sure about this QR code. I don't know if this is the pattern or not. So I will test it. If it is a pattern, I'll have to blur it out. So it's a Christmas tree. So if we open this up, stitches information, and this is, I see right away that I don't like is the way that we have to do the Christmas tree. So we have to do like a triangle. I've seen other Christmas trees being done. They were not done like this, but I guess we'll have to test it to see if I like it or I don't this way. And we also have some felt. I don't know what this is for, maybe to place inside your crochet hook, beads, and also stitch markers, which is a must, your star. So this is all you get. Once I'm done making this Christmas tree, I will tell you if I liked making it, if the pattern was good, and if it's worth the money.
And it's done. I finally completed it, the Christmas tree. Personally, I did not like making this. It took me a full 2 weeks. 2 weeks for me to complete this because I didn't want to do it. And I'll explain to you why. This is not a guide or a step-by-step how to do this. Not at all. So the first thing you do, like I did, is you do this thing. So the green part. And then you're left with rows of front loops. And this is what I don't like, is because the branches are done by grabbing the front loop and crocheting all around. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of this. And these are hard. I mean, for a beginner, I wouldn't start with this. There has to be a better way to do this. It's not that bad. It's cool. The star is a little bit too tiny. I'm definitely going to replace the star. The ribbon, that's okay. I like it. And then there's these little pearls. I was supposed to sew the little pearls in, but I didn't. I glued them in. I glued the star and I glued the little bow. Now, if you notice, it's not exactly the same color. The bottom should have been all red, but I did run out of yarn. I did run out of green and red yarn. I was left with white, so I finished it with white yarn. I had enough yarn, but I did not have enough of the red or the green to do exactly this Christmas tree. I'm not going to redo a Christmas tree like this. Like I said, I'm going to look. There has to be a better way to do a Christmas tree. I didn't like doing this. I did not like it at all. Yeah, and that's my take on it. I wish you the best holidays and have yourself a great day. Take care, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.